A 90-meter-long asteroid, Asteroid 2024 YR4, has a chance of slamming into the Moon and missing Earth in 2035, despite earlier calculations suggesting it could hit our planet. Discovered by Arizona's Catalina Sky Survey last Christmas, the asteroid was placed at level 3 in the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, indicating a close encounter that merits attention. The American Space Agency said the asteroid now has a 2.3% chance of striking the planet in 2032, which doubled from the 1% prediction earlier this month. However, there is a roughly 0.3% chance of the asteroid hitting the Moon, according to calculations by Catalina Sky Survey comet and asteroid spotter David Rankin. Further observations are needed to determine the trajectory of 2024 YR4, as well as its impact. NASA mentioned that new observations may result in reassignment of this asteroid to zero as more data comes in. The asteroid could approach Earth just before Christmas 2032, with early estimates indicating December 22 as the date it most nearly approaches our planet. An impact could cause an explosion in the atmosphere, called an airburst, or could cause an impact crater, potentially causing local damage. Mr. Rankin suggests Earth might still be impacted by the asteroid, even if 2024 YR4 hits the Moon, resulting in debris from the Moon raining back onto the planet. The risk corridor for impact runs from South America across the Atlantic to sub-Saharan Africa, with the far eastern edge passing right over Mumbai. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.